LTD BulBul survived murder after he was trapped with a job offer in Bangkok, Thailand. According to sources on Facebook Limited, BulBul left for Thailand on Sunday morning after securing what was promised as job in a related field through an agency. On arrival to the capital Bangkok, he was picked up by someone sent from the agency who then handed him to a lady. The lady with other men put him in a taxi and drove off from the city for about 20 hours straight. They arrived to the small town and had sleep. The next morning they again got up and drove off for 2 hours. He grew suspicions and then asked the guys, "Where are you taking me?" "Well, I'm expected to work in capital." From the highway they drove off through a small road, which brought more concerns to him. In order to get off, he then begged them. He wanted to ease himself, which they accepted after a serious pleading. On getting off the taxi, one of the guy came out with a security baton with an aim of hitting him from the back, but was quick to see him. Thank God he saw the guy and immediately run into the bushes through the maize plantation, managing to escape. Then he took him 5 hours to reach the main road again. Luckily enough, he met some police officer who took him to a nearby police station and later returned him back the city. He's safe but lost all his belongings except his passport, which was in his pocket. Some effort are on the way to make sure he's back to the city.